Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important theory question that you need to study under the subject Finance for HR Professional and Compensation Management, Human Resource Elective for TYBMS Sem V student. Very important video. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the long answers that you need to cover up under each module and what are the short notes that also you need to cover up from the entire syllabus. So, chalo. We'll start one by one. Under module 1, these are the first set of questions that you need to cover up. Number 1, explain the characteristic of a compensation plan. Second, explain the types of compensation. Third, what is compensation, or explain the objectives of compensation plan. Fourth, what are the factors influencing compensation plan. Describe the dimension of compensation plan. Okay, now what are the factors? Okay, or what are the external factors? They can even ask you what are internal and external factors that influence the compensation plan. Okay, so these are first set of questions. You can go through it once. Okay, these are the next set of questions under module 1. Write a short note on 3 P's of compensation. What are the various factors to be considered for a sound pay structure? Define compensation and explain the financial components of a compensation plan. Or what are the various components compensation models? And lastly, we have state the process or steps of designing a compensation system along with features of pay structure. So these are the remaining questions under module 1 which are very important from the exam point of view. You can go through it once. Okay, next module 2. Elaborate the prerequisite of effective incentive plans. Explain the residual claimant theory and explain its criticism. Elaborate with examples some modern method of incentive plan. State the factors contributing to wage differentials. Mention different types of wage differentials. Describe and explain effective incentive system with its types, and write about wage fund theory. Okay. So these are the only questions that you need to cover up under module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next module 3, explain HRA, elaborate HRVA. What is HRA and features of HRA? What are the characteristics of special groups? Explain the compensation management of corporate directors and executive. Explain the competencies based plan and its significance, and explain the criteria approach, and explain salary progression curve and its significance in detail. These are from module 3. You can go through it once. Okay, these are the next set of answers under module 3. Explain all the theories of wages in brief. Write in detail about subsistence theory of wage. Explain golden parachute and how to write a golden parachute surveillance agreement. And explain skill-based compensation tools. Okay, so these are the remaining questions from module 3. Next, module number 4, discuss Payment of Wage Act, Bonus Act, Gratuity Act. Explain the challenges in compensation management. Explain the Equal Remuneration Act and why these provisions are significant for managing compensation. And write in brief about wage board. Okay, these are the only questions that you need to cover up under module 4. You can go through it once. Okay, and lastly we have the short notes. So we have adjudication, wage differential, payment of wage bonus act, scalon plan, payment of gratuity act, distributed justice model, human resource value accounting. These are the first set of short notes. And along with that, describe the primary objectives of compensation plan, explain residual claimant theory, subsistence theory, 3 P's of compensation, wage board, pay commission, labor market model, and compensation to corporate directors. Okay, so these were all the important theory questions that you need to cover up under this subject. So I hope everyone has noted down. With that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.